This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good afternoon, you guys. It's A2. What's up, you guys? So right now, the Hydra just read out, you guys. Yeah, it's like, but I was helping someone to get something. Pumpkin, what are you trying to do? Hey, don't go inside. You're gonna go inside, okay? You go inside. Is that okay? Good. Pet not go outside. So I'm just letting that sit there for now. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Right now, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing right now. Since hopefully everything works out. But the power went out for a quick second. Boom, done. But it's okay. It's alright. Did not like ow, ow, ow. Oh sheesh. Oh. Man, so I'm just gonna help someone right now. How to set up something, so talk to you guys then. Hey guys, right now I'm just making some supper right now, you guys. Yeah, we are making some supper. So right now we are making some hot dogs and other stuff with the thing. So that's pretty cool. So that's exciting. So talk to you guys when I get to it. Hey guys, so right now I'm just gonna clean the tape off because no one commented, but I really need to clean that tape off because it's so messy, so unorganized. I'm trying to stay organized as much as I can now, but I'm gonna set up this table so I can actually clean you guys off the table. Oh shit! So I can set you guys somewhere so I can actually do some stuff. So talk to you guys then. There's the table, you guys. Yeah, there's the table. All cleaned up. Really good. It's really nice and clean now. You just have to get rid of some of them stuff. But that's pretty cool. So that's pretty awesome to clean up my apartment, you guys. Yeah. Cleaning up is really interesting. So right now I'm gonna just put these cards online. So I can maybe get points, and so pretty cool. So yeah, so talk to you guys when I'm registering this online. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. It was a quick video, you guys. I know, I'm sorry that I've been really slacking on vlogging, really. There's nothing really to vlog about, but if you guys have any questions or things that you guys want me to do, just comment down below and tell me in the comments. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Give it a thumbs up.